The Chalcedon Foundation presents Law and Liberty, written by R.J. Rushdoony, narrated by Nathan F. Conkey. Foreword. These essays were delivered as a series of radio addresses in 1966 and 1967 over several stations from coast to coast. It would be wrong to say that they had a great popular reception, but in all areas save one, the response was surprisingly good. These essays were written not for broadcast but for publication as a summary statement of certain concepts of law and liberty. Their radio broadcasting was in large part made possible by the underwriting of Mr. Paul H. Axteddy of Arcadia, California, and their publication by the underwriting of Mr. Frederick Freeland of Parsippany, New Jersey. Mrs. Arlene Golnick of Orland, California, typed the manuscript. Mrs. Grace Flanagan mimeographed copies of all these radio addresses for circulation. Mrs. Florette Edwards corrected the proofs, together with my wife, Dorothy Rushdoony. I am very grateful to them for their help and for their concern for our common cause. Russus John Rushdoony.